Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 4 and 5 of exercise 9.1. Question number 4 says, draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. We have to draw number line and represent the rational numbers which they have given on that number line. To solve this question, what you are supposed to do, you have to follow 4 simple steps. The first step is draw the number line which with equal distance between the numbers. That is the first step. Second step, identify whether the given rational number is positive or negative. Here it is positive. So definitely on a number line, if I represent this number, it will be on the right hand side. And for this purpose, I don't need the left hand side number line. So what I will do, I will place 0 at very beginning because all my numbers will be on the right hand side. That will be our second step. Third step, see the denominator of that particular number. Here it is 4. 4 means if I place 4 in the numerator, that is 4 parts. Out of the 4 parts, if I do, I will get 1. This is the third step. We have to identify where is the number 1 and 2 that we are supposed to identify. And to identify that, we must see denominator. Denominator here is 4. So we will place 4 out of 4 will be 1. So that means I have to place 4 equal parts. On 4th number, I will place my number 1. So let me count. 1, 2, 3 and 4th place. Here my number 1 will come. Now last number step, that is 3 out of 4. Here we have calculated 4 equal parts, right? So this is our 3 equal parts out of 4 parts. This is our 4 by 4. So 3 will be first part, second part and third part. This will be our 3 by 4. Very easy, right? Let us move to the second part. If you have not understood, you can follow here also. The first step is draw a number line with equal measures between or equal distance between the numbers. That I have done for you all. Second step, identify whether it is negative or positive, whether it will lie on the left hand side or the right hand side. This is negative, so definitely it will lie on the left hand side. So I don't need right hand side. So what I will do, I will place my 0 over here because right hand side I don't need. Now here the denominator is 8. Third step, to identify where my 1 will lie. So 8 parts out of 8 parts will give me -1, right? Here it is minus, that's why. So what I have to do, I want to divide the number line into 8 equal parts. So let me calculate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This will be my -1. That is -8 upon 8. Since I have got 0 and 1, let me see where is my number lies. This is -5 by 8. That means 5th part out of 8 part. You can see first part, second part, third part, 4th part, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th part. So my number lies on the 5th part. So calculate from here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This will be -5 by 8. Hope you are understanding. Now -7 by 4. This is minus, so definitely it will be 0 will be here and my number will lie on this side. Since denominator is 4, so now I will not write like this. You are supposed to find directly 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be my minus 1. That is minus 4 by 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be my minus 2. That is minus 8 by 4. Now definitely where my number will lie? This is 4 by 4. So definitely it will lie this in between these two numbers. So let me calculate. Minus 4 by 4, minus 5 by 4, minus 6 by 4. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 5 by 4, minus 6 by 4 and minus 7 by 4. This will be my minus 7 by 4. Fourth part. This is positive, so my 0 will be here. 8 parts, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This will be my 1. That is 8 out of 8 parts. Now where will be my 7 part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is my 7 by 8. Very easy, right? Hope you have understood. Now moving to question number 5. Question number 5 says the points P, Q, R, S, T, U, A and B on the number line are such that TR is equal to RS is equal to SU and AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. They have given us some points on the number line, that is P, Q, R, S, T, U, A and B. They are such that the distance TR, this distance is equal to RS and is equal to SU. Whatever distance this is, all the parts are equal. If this is 5, this is also 5 and this is also 5. That is minus 1 till minus 2 are divided into 3 equal parts. Same way, AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Here also from 2 to 3 they have divided the parts, 3 parts, 1 part, 2 part and 3 part into 3 equal parts. Next, name the rational numbers represented by P, Q, R and S. We are supposed to say which rational number will lie on P, on Q, on R and on S. So let us start. First we will write for P. Here you can see my P, the point P, it lies between 2 and 3. That means definitely the whole number part will be 2. Now since they are divided into 3 equal parts, so I will write 3 in denominators. Now where is my P? On the first part, so I will write 1 by 3. So 2 integer because it was fully 2 and then the first part. But they want us to write rational number. So what we will do? We will write 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. So this will be our 7 by 3. Coming to Q. Again Q, definitely 2 integer will be there. Then Q is on the second part. So 2 by 3. 1 and 2. 2 by how many parts? 3 parts. Now we will calculate 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. 8 divided by 3 will be our answer. Coming to R. R lies on the negative side. So definitely my first integer, that is whole integer, will be minus 1. The integer will be minus 1. Now R, this minus 1 till minus 2 are divided into 3 equal parts. So definitely denominator will be 3. R is on the first position, so it will be 1 by 3. Calculating in the rational form, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4 minus 4 by 3. So here it is minus 4 by 3. Coming to the last point, that is S. Same way, the whole number part is minus 1, whole integer is minus 1, and then s lies on the second part out of 3 equal parts. So 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5, but negative. So minus 5 by 3. So s is minus 5 by 3. Hope you have understood this question. If not, please go through it once more so that you can understand properly. We will meet with new question in new video. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.